Hello. Do not fail this question in your exams again. It looks complicated, but in actual sense, it is not. There are just some hidden tricks, a few hidden tricks which you need to discover through my solving for you to be able to do this question with easy. So I would advise you to watch this video till the end to discover all the hidden tricks. But if you have the idea of the question, not bad if you pause the video, you do the question, then later on you cross-check your answer with mine to see if we're working on the same page. What about that? Deal. Okay, here we go. Our question interpretation. Find the integral of, we have 2x plus 3, divide by, this is the fourth root of x squared plus 3x minus 2. These are two different functions. So it somehow looks complicated, but you know what you're supposed to do? Assess the situation, try to compare the two, the numerator and the denominator, to see if there is any relation you can forge to make your solving easy. When you look at this one, when you look at the inside part of the fourth root sign critically, you realize that if I differentiate this part, x squared plus 3x minus 2 with respect to x, I will get something exactly equal to this or similar to this. Have you seen that? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Interpreting this question, the question wants us to find the integral, means we have to solve this. Then divide by x squared plus 3x minus 2, take the fourth root of this, then with respect to x. This is the meaning of this question. So as I've mentioned, I've discovered there's a relationship between the denominator and the numerator. So I will have to choose any variable, someone will choose u, to be equal to the inside part of the denominator, which is x squared plus 3x minus 2. Then next, I differentiate with respect to x. So I'll have du dx to be equal to, differentiating x squared, we get 2x. Differentiating 3x, we will get 3. Differentiating a constant term, you will get 0. So our derivative will end up with this. So what is next now? Let's go back to our question and see how can we figure out this to make it look like the original expression. Here we have the x, we have 2x plus 3. So the easiest way to make this expression from this one is by multiplying through by dx. So this will give us du to be equal, bracket 2x plus 3, then dx, like this. So when you compare our du, there is some resemblance with what we have there. So what do we do next? Now we integrate. We bring down our integration of 2x plus 3 into bracket. Then this time around now it's not, okay? Let's left it aside, let's copy the question. 2x, then plus 3x minus 2. Okay, we're dividing, then we take the fourth root of that. We are integrating with respect to x. Can I say this is same as writing the integration of 2x plus 3 into bracket. Then we divide by the fourth root. Look here, the fourth root of, now we don't write this again because we are deleted somewhere, to be equal to u. So now it becomes the fourth root of u. Okay, then there is this dx. Look at the right hand side. 2x plus 3, this bracket times dx, the same as this one, same as this. Okay, so what do we do then? We replace the 2x plus 3 bracket dx with the du. Then we get the integral of the whole of that one becomes du. We divide by the fourth root of u. So now our complicated question has been reduced to the integration with respect to du of 1 over the fourth root of u. Have you seen now where we are heading? Okay. This leads us to 1 over du, 1 over u. The fourth root, this one here, is the same as writing to the power of 1 over 4. To the power of 1 over 4, then with respect to u, which is equal to, can you write this one as the integral of u to the power of negative 1 over 4 using the rules of exponents, then with respect to u. Okay, I don't know whether you have forgotten the rules of exponents. Rules of exponents, we say if I have 1 over a raised to the power n, this is the same as writing a power negative n. That's what the rules of exponents say. So I've applied this concept to this particular expression here, and this is what we got. So now integrating this one, the rules of logarithms. Okay, so what do we have from here? This applies to the rules of exponents. Sorry, the rules of exponents is what you get. So this is what we have. So integrating, increasing the power by 1, we're saying if I'm integrating, say x raised to the power of n, this one is the same as increasing the power by 1, then I divide by the new power, then I add the constant. This is what we apply here. So if I do apply this rule here, I will have to increase the power here by 1, so it will be u negative 1 plus 1 divide by negative 1 over 4, then plus 1, then I add my constant there. Negative 1 over 4 plus 1 is the same as saying 1 minus 1 over 4, which gives us 3 over 4 positive. So on the denominator we should also have 3 over 4. Then we add the constant. Now at this juncture we have to ask ourselves, what is this u, by the way? So we have to bring back our u, which was equal to x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay, so this integration here, now this integration of 2x plus 3 into bracket, divide by the fourth root of x squared plus 3x minus 2 with respect to x. This one now gives us, we're replacing u with this one. So it will be x squared plus 3x minus 2, put it in bracket, because it is one term, raised to the power of 3 over 4, then divide by 3 over 4, do you see that? Then we add our constant somewhere around there. Okay, we add our constant somewhere around there. Dividing by the fraction, it's the same as taking the reciprocal of that particular fraction. So 1 divided by 3 over 4 will become 4 over 3 into bracket. Then this will be x squared plus 3x minus 2 raised to the power of 3 over 4, then plus a constant c. Another person will write the same answer in this format, that the integration of 2x plus 3 into bracket divided by the fourth root of x squared plus 3x minus 2 with respect to x will be equal to 4 over 3. Then into bracket, we use the bracket, into bracket, we say the fourth root of x squared plus 3x minus 2 power raised to the power of 3, like this, then plus the constant, like that. So this would be your answer. Thank you for watching. I would advise you to watch videos. Thank you.